Hello. I wanted to show you our Hostess kits for this year's Scholé Sisters retreat, which is called Homeschool Essentials Memory. It's happening October 9th, 2021, and although we are producing and broadcasting the retreat online so that you can watch it from home, what we love We love it when women get together in homes or churches and watch these sessions together, having discussion and building their local community while learning how to become better homeschool moms. We wanted to make this extra easy and fun this year for our hostesses. So we put together little hostess kits. When you order the Hostess kit, you get a purple clipboard. It's a brand new still in wrap clipboard that has the papers that you need to stay organized for the retreat. There's a welcome letter, gives you an overview of how it goes. There is this page right here, which you can put in a frame or on a clipboard or clip it up for your registration table, and it's like a table of it's like a announcement. I don't know. It's a nice little page, and it's colorful. Then we have a hostess checklist, and so there are three sections to this checklist. There are the first things that you should do as soon as you get this kit, and then there are things to do the week of the event. And then on the back, there's a whole checklist for the morning of the event, as well as afterwards. Then there's this page called the Local Retreat Flow, and this helps you move through the day of your retreat and keep things flowing. It helps you to see what's coming up next and what to help people transition to. Then we have these colorful registration pages. If you've ever hosted a retreat before, this should look familiar. On this page, you will have the ladies who are attending put their name and their email address, and then there's a place for you to check if they've paid. And this page helps you stay organized. It helps you keep track of who's there. And then when you turn this page in, just by snapping a photo of it and sending it to us after your retreat, we enter those ladies' names and email addresses into our system, and they get access to the replays of the retreat. So when they register, they pay $25 to you as the hostess. And after you turn in your registration, then our assistant Haley will invoice you for the total of your local attendees. We also have these discussion cards. So there are 4 cards on each sheet, and there's 1 card to go for each session. So between every session, there will be 45 minutes for groups to discuss. And these pages give you the questions that you can discuss at your tables. And every hostess will get 2 of those, so that if you want to break people up into smaller groups, each table can have their own card. Plus, you get 16 name tags for people at your retreat with the fun logo on it. In addition to the clipboard and the pages, and the purple pen, of course, you get a purple envelope full of goodies. Now the purple envelope doubles, it's holding all those little things together, but then you can also use this envelope for collecting the cash and checks at your event. So inside the envelope, there are bookmarks. There are 12 per hostess kit for your local attendees to each get one. Plus, there are these little logo stickers, little die cut stickers, 1 for all of your attendees. There are 12 in each kit. And then there are some stickers just for you as the hostess. There is a Friends Don't Let Friends Read Alone color sticker, a brand new design, our Carpe Librum crest, And this is the graphic that is on our book bags, the School A Everyday Stack of Books sticker. And these stickers are very high quality vinyl stickers. I have stickers like this on my water bottle, and I send it through the dishwasher, and they are still colorful and looking great over a year later. So these are very durable vinyl stickers. And that is what you get when you choose to get a Hostess kit and turn our annual online retreat into a local retreat day out for your friends to build community and have a refreshing time together, learning and growing and becoming better homeschool moms.